Hi, we are Vong Medical, a medical device startup company developing the next generation mitral and tricuspid heart valve replacement by trans-femoral and trans-jugular approach instead of a surgery. We are transforming the heart valve treatment, following the guidelines of the FDA by a minimally invasive transcatheter solution. We are doing a self-adaptive, self-anchoring valve that penetrates and finds its location and solving the mortality main root cause today, paravalvular leak. Our solution is innovative and out-of-the-box solution meeting patients, doctors, and hospitals' requirements. Our solution is a full system, complete solution that has started from the development of the valve that meet all the market asked requirements, through the ergonomic delivery system and the stent-like clinical procedure. Our main key differences that make us unique in this market is a simple and fast stent-like procedure, ultra-low profile catheter, adaptive self-anchoring valve design, and preventing the paravalvular leak, the main mortality root cause today. The market is estimated in $15 billion. 40,000 mitral and 20,000 tricuspid reimbursed procedures being done in the US alone and matching numbers globally. Our solution and patent cover also a customized and personalized dedicated solutions, which is an additional $50,000 to $100,000 per procedure. We are a very experienced leading team. Our patent covering the mitral and the tricuspid replacement valve, the delivery system, and the clinical procedure. We will be ready in 3 to 4 years for an exit. We have a limited risk due to the R&D completion and a very successful animal clinical trial. Our go-to-market plan is very simple. Following the FDA guidelines of the animal clinical trials, safety tests, human trials, and commercialization. Going to exit or business collaboration with one of the big top leading in the world, Edwards, Medtronic, or Abbott. As you can see, this is the master detail plan and budget that we are following. We have started with the tricuspid, and when the R&D and regulatory teams will be available, they will move on to the mitral valve project. In the bottom of the table, you can see the detailed budget and the investment needed according to milestones. I'm bringing more than 30 years of experience, starting as an R&D engineer, project and product manager, VP R&D, VP operations, business development, establishing operations in medical device companies around the globe, US, Europe, and Far East. My partner, Vadim Bernstein, is the CTO. He is a BSc and MSc cum laude. He is in this arena for more than 15 years. He is appreciated globally and have several patents and articles in prestigious professional magazines and have developed several valves that have done an exit. The investment is needed for completion of the animal clinical trials and to be ready for the safety test, establishing the FDA and CE regulatory system, and for all the dedicated manufacturing and operational activity for the clinical trials onward. The following pictures were taken from one of the animal clinical trials done with a live pig. As you can see in the left picture, this is the actual X-ray of the valve implantation inside the pig heart. In the right is the ultrasound Doppler activity of the valve inside the heart, no leakage. We are open for coffee, questions, or any opens you might have. Below are contact details. Thank you.